International commercial terms, also known as Incoterms, are standardized trade rules established by the International Chamber of Commerce, or ICC, to define the responsibilities of buyers and sellers in international trade. Incoterms rules define the responsibilities of buyers and sellers to each other, specify when risk transfers from seller to buyer, and outline who is responsible for transportation, packaging, loading, unloading, insurance, and related costs. A fundamental knowledge of international trade, important trade terminologies, and the various stages involved in transferring goods from seller to buyer is necessary for understanding the Incoterms rules. Incoterms rules are updated regularly to reflect changes in global trade, shipping practices, and regulations. The most recent version of Incoterms rules was released in 2020 by the ICC. It replaced Incoterms Rules 2010 and introduced updates and clarifications to align with modern trade practices. The Incoterms rules are widely accepted by legal authorities and governments worldwide, providing a standardized framework for international trade. Incoterms rules do not cover payment methods, product quality, contract breaches, or ownership transfer. These aspects must be addressed separately in a sales contract, which defines the full trade terms. Each group clearly defines the division of responsibilities, costs, and risks between the seller and buyer throughout the transportation process. F group consists of 3 Incoterms rules: free carrier, or FCA, free alongside ship, or FAS, and free on board, or FOB. C group consists of 4 Incoterms rules: carriage paid to, or CPT, carriage and insurance paid to, or CIP, cost and freight, or CFR, and cost, insurance, and freight, or CIF. D group consists of 3 Incoterms rules: delivered at place, or DAP, delivered at place unloaded, or DPU, and delivered duty paid, or DDP. E group consists of only 1 Incoterms rule, X works, or EXW. Choosing the right Incoterms rules clarifies cost distribution, risk, and delivery responsibilities for buyers and sellers.